Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. So in today's video, I'm going to be painting the table in my breakfast nook black, and then I'm going to give you guys a kitten update. So I'm going to start off just clearing off the table, and then I'll get it wiped down with the wet rag. I had been looking for this table for at least 6 months. I wanted this shape and I wanted it to be black. And if it had some texture, that would be even better. And if I were to choose a wooden table to match this floor, this is the table I would have chose. But after having a black table in here for a few months and then putting this wood table in here, I don't know if it's because I'm used to the black, but I definitely don't like the wood tone. I think it's just too much wood because it's so similar to the floor. I took my old table over to my son's home, so it wasn't a total waste because he was using the dining room table that actually came with his home when he purchased it, and it wasn't the best table. So you know how Amazon now puts paper in their boxes instead of those plastic airbags? So I've been saving some of the paper because of projects like this. It's funny because I find myself saving all the paper. Like every time I get a box, I'm like untwisting the paper and starting to fold it. And I'm like, wait, I have enough paper. But this paper does come in handy. I'm just drying the table with a paper towel because this is Georgia and it's humid. Things take a while to dry sometimes. I did lock the kittens and the dogs up. I already know the kittens would have been all over in this paint, and then the dogs, it's just better to be safe than sorry. I love how you can still see the texture in this table, and this table has so much character, I think, with this texture. So I'm using Beyond Paint. This is the same paint I used at our condo in Los Angeles on the kitchen cabinets. It's in the color Licorice. I love Beyond Paint because you don't have to do any prep work. So you don't have to like degrease anything or prime. You just paint because it's like all in one. I have to share this funny story. So my son and I ate Chipotle at the dining room table. And when we were done, we just put our bowls, because we had burrito bowls, we put our bowls inside the Chipotle bag and just left it on the table. and we went on with our business. I was in the screened-in porch working on this video, and he went upstairs. All of a sudden, we heard this loud noise, and so I came inside, and I noticed in my bedroom there was garbage. Like, it looked like someone got into the garbage, but I quickly realized it was our Chipotle bags. And right away, I assumed Cherie, because Cherie gets into everything. And so I'm like, Cherie, bad, and I'm picking up the garbage. And so my son came downstairs and he's like, no, Cherie was with me. And I'm like, CJ? And he's like, no, CJ was with me too. And I'm like, well, where are the kittens? So we walked in the dining room and this is what we found. Gotta love them though, they are just the cutest.
I've been waiting here before, it is not the first time, thinking that you'll come around. I've been waiting here before, it is not the first time, thinking that you'll change this time. No, I don't need a heartbreak, I don't need to save you, 'cause I gotta be you, 'cause I gotta be you. No, I don't need a heartbreak, I don't need to change you, 'cause I gotta be you, 'cause I gotta be you. And keep telling everyone you got it, but they can see that you are lost it. I don't need a heartbreak, I don't need to change you, 'cause I gotta be you, 'cause I gotta be you.
So I was talking to my mom on the phone and my son texted me. He said, what are you doing? And I told him I'm talking to grandma. And he said, okay, go outside in 2 minutes and look up. And so, obviously I knew he was probably going to be flying over, which he did.
If this is a dream, wake me. Winter, summer, we got time. Lucid light. Yes or no, high or low. Whatever they do, we can do it better.
That was so exciting to watch because he has wanted to be a pilot since he was about 2 years old.
I'm not joining a race, I'm not in it for the chase. Go be gone, I'ma show you. Twinkle wide and far, lucid light. He taught me to be me. It's the difference, not the distance. Oh, yes or no.
got to share another video with you. So of the two kittens, Willow is definitely the mischievous one and is always finding herself in a pickle. So I was doing laundry and I had the basket, right in front of the laundry room, and this is what I found.
Where's Willow? Willow, are you stuck? Willow, are you stuck? Willow, are you stuck?
CJ is such a ham anytime I pull out my phone to take a video. I'm going to do a second coat, but I will skip through it all because second coat is never as satisfying as the first coat. So here's how the table turned out. I think it looks great. I wish it had that distressed look, so I could sand the edges and give it that look, but I'm hoping over time it will naturally get that look since I painted it. I guess we'll put Beyond Paint to the true test.
Still, your baby. Hold tight, 'cause I know that we're changing, but I will be forever young in your arms. Tell the story about you and me, of our love. She gon' love you like summer 15.
Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and a kitten update. I will see you guys in my next video. Take care.